The overall design of the Xiaomi 14 Pro appears to be a refined version of what was seen on Xiaomi 13 Pro. The top bezel of the 14 Pro has an earpiece and a speaker outlet, and its top edge seems to have a traditional outlet for components like a speaker, an IR blaster, and a noise-cancelling microphone. The opposite end of the device has a speaker grills, the main microphone, and a USB-C port. The SIM slot cannot be seen in the image, but it is the most likely to place it on the bottom. On the left edge, there are no buttons. Over on the right side, one can see the volume and a power button. Towards the bottom of the right edge, there is a connector that resembles a pogo pin, but its purpose is currently unclear. Some reports have claimed that the device will come with titanium alloy frame. The real design of the Xiaomi 14 Pro appears to a revolution of the Xiaomi 13 Pro design. It retains the square camera arsenal housing 3 camera and a LED flash unit. So interestingly, the top right model in the case image, which resembles a camera with external sensor, might actually house the LED flash and be the Leica brand. In contrast, the Xiaomi 13 Pro had a LED flash and a Leica logo in bottom right model. The Xiaomi 14 Pro is expected to have a 2K 120 has a Q-curved AMOLED display screen, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, up to 24 GB of LPDDR or 5x RAM, up to 1TB and UFC 4.0 storage, and a 4860 mAh battery. The listing revealed that the device will support 120 watt fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Pro is expected to support satellite connectivity and run MIUI 15 based on Android 14. Its rear camera setup is expected to include OIS-enabled 50 megapixel IMX989 main camera with available aperture, a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 50 megapixel tele macro camera. The Xiaomi 14 series is expected to launch in the first or second week of November 2023 in China. So see you. Take care.